Hey guys, what's up? How you doing? Hope you're having a great day. And if you're not having a great day, I hope you can at least find one great thing in your day. Today is Thursday, and it's sorry, and it's sort of what is on my lips? What? Okay, it's low key stressful because I have some stuff that I needed to finish yesterday that I didn't finish yesterday because I came home and I got really frustrated and I just cried for a second, but it's fine. But it is 8 o'clock now, like it's 7:59. Hey guys, what's up? Hey guys, what's up? How you doing? Hope you're having a great day. And if you're not having a great day, I'm really sorry, and I hope you can at least find one great thing in your day. Today is Thursday, and it is 8 o'clock, and I woke up early enough in time to actually do my makeup, and then I still have time to chill, which is nice. So I'm actually going to make my bed today, so when I come home, I won't be as tempted to get in it. And I am low-key stressed because I have a lot of stuff to do today, but it's fine because I'll get it done. Hi guys, so I'm gonna turn this down so I don't yell at you. It is 8:45 and I'm on my way to class. Today I have Comp 2 at 9:30, and then I have, and then at 12:45 I have history. So I have a lot of stuff I have to do today, and the past couple days I've been being a wimp. I'm like, oh, I'm stressed, so I don't have to do this right now. Like, homework wise, not anything else. Like, if somebody told me, like, if asked me to do something, I wouldn't do it. Oh no. But I've decided something about my life, and every morning I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna set myself a goal for the day. One or two goals for the day. My goal for today is, one of them is to treat people more like Jesus, because I've never mean to people at school, like, ever. Like, I'm never, like, not nice, but I don't treat everybody how they should be treated. I'm not gonna lie. Like, most people I do, but then, there's just those couple people where you're like, I don't want to talk to you, but we're not doing that today. And then my second goal is to drink 3 of these today, because I did that yesterday. So, no, 4 today, because I drank 3 yesterday. Because I don't drink enough water. And it might not, it doesn't have to necessarily be this thing full, but I want to drink more water today. And then my third goal is to stop being a wimp. Because the past couple days, I don't know what's wrong with me, but I'm so tired all the time, and I don't do anything. Like, I don't. I go home and I lay in my bed. And, yeah, I do a little bit of homework, but, I do it in my bed because I can't be bothered to get out of my bed. And I'm not doing it. I'm not. I cannot do it. I have too much stuff to do this week, because this weekend I have plans with my friends on Saturday, and then Sunday I just want to go to church, come home, and chill. I don't want to stress, because I've been so stressed the past couple weeks, and I just don't know why. I just have been. There's no reason. I'm just so stressed, and but that's the plan. I'm almost at the red light, so I can cut you off. So I will see you guys probably when I get to campus. Hi guys, so it's 12:03. I got out of my class at I forgot. Oh no, oh wait, hold on, we're going the other way. I got out of my class at 11, and then I sat and talked to my friend for a while, and I waited on her because she had to interview somebody. She had to interview one of our professors, so that was an experience. But now I don't have another class for 40 minutes, so I'm going to get some lunch, because I wasn't going to buy any food today, but I'm so hungry. And it's better for me to go buy money. It's better for me to go buy food from somewhere than just eat chips out of the vending machine for lunch. It's more expensive to do that, but I'm going to Subway though, so I'm not going anywhere Like, too terrible. I wish we had a food place on campus. Well, we do have a food place on campus, but it's barbecue. And I'm literally never in the mood for barbecue. Like, if I was starving, I'd eat barbecue. But I'm not starving. I'm just sort of hungry. So, well, not really sort of hungry. I am like 100% starving to death almost. I'm just kidding. Gotta go faster. 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 That car's gonna hit me. Hey guys, it's 12:05 and I have another class in 40 minutes and I am on my way to go get some lunch because I am really freaking hungry. Like, we have a barbecue place on campus, but I'm never in the, like, barbecue smells so good to me, but I don't like it. Like, it's not my favorite thing to eat, so, like, and it's kind of expensive, and I wasn't gonna buy food today. I was like, no, you cannot spend any more money on food, but it's better for, like, I'm really hungry, and, like, I didn't bring a lunch with me. I didn't bring food with me because I forgot. And it's better for me to go buy like an actual meal than for me to eat out of a vending machine. So, excuse my noggin. It's more expensive, but it's better for my body. So, I'm sure my body would like it if I ate real food instead of just ate sour cream and cheddar ruffles. So I'm going to Subway because I have not had Subway in a couple days. It's been longer than a couple days, but like, I love me some Subway. So I'm going to get Subway. I'm going back to campus. I'm going to eat my Subway and I'm going to go to history. Hi guys. So it's 12:21. I just got some lunch. I got another one of these chicken wraps. And I'm going to eat. I have another class at 12:45. So I'm like, I'm not in a rush, but like, I'm kind of in a rush. But it's fine because I can always take this in there with me and eat it, even though I prefer not to do that, but it's fine. So I uploaded a vlog. I lost my chicken. I would just like to say, like, pat myself on the back because I have been killing the video game this week. Really proud of myself. But I'm gonna go and eat my chicken. So, hi guys, I'm home now. It's like 5 o'clock. And when I got home, had some packages and I opened them and I thought I was recording, but I wasn't recording, but I'll show you what I got anyway. This is my planner. It came in today. It's upside down. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not because it's like kind of sucks, but it says 2018 right there. And this is what the inside looks like. Uh-oh. That's what the inside looks like. It's super cute. So, and then I bought a t-shirt from my school and it came in today. So, this is what the front looks like. I accidentally got a 3X and I meant to get a 2X, so it's going to be super big, but I like big t-shirts, so that just means I can wear it with leggings. And then, this is the most exciting one to me. My Winter Jam stuff came in. And if you don't, like, Winter Jam is like, it's a $10, well, it's $15 now, but it's a $10 concert, $15 concert, and you get to see 10 bands play. And we get, the people I go with, like my youth group and stuff, have always gotten $30 tickets. But this year, we couldn't get the $30 tickets because there wasn't enough of us going. So I had to pay $65, which kind of irks me just a little bit, but I chose to do it. It's no big deal. So I got my pass and this lanyard. I got 2 lanyards. I got my pass. This is what it looks like on my lanyard. And this is the shirt that came with it. And I don't know what my problem is, but I ordered 3Xs in both of these shirts, and I did not mean to. So, a little bit annoyed at myself, but I mean, big t-shirts okay. It's just you can't really wear them with blue jeans unless you like tie them up a little bit. So, I'm just waiting on the summertime or the springtime when I can wear my shorts. But now I have an excuse to go buy leggings. But yeah, I got home. My aunt brought me tacos from like, where'd they go? My aunt got me chicken tacos from my favorite place. So I'm going to eat those and do my homework. Good gosh, I look like a hot mess. Hey guys, it's like forever later. You know, I said that I was gonna make my bed up, and so I wouldn't be tempted to get in it when I got home. Well, it didn't work, but I still have my pants on, so we're doing something right, kind of. I've done nothing but watch videos and email some people about something that I ordered that has not shipped, and I ordered it 2 months ago. But they took the money out of my account. Just a little bitter. But I'm actually about to take my quiz now because I need to. It's like 7:30, and I'll have this done hopefully by 8, and then I'm gonna take a shower, and I'm going to copy my thing, my note card thing I have to do for a history test, and then I'm done. Hi guys, so I'm about to take a shower, and then I need to finish some homework. But I'm gonna end this vlog here because that's literally all I'm gonna do is do homework, and there's no sense. That's why I haven't vlogged anything else today, because I didn't do anything but homework. So yeah. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more like day in my life vlogs, videos, whatever. I also upload other types of videos other than these. So, matter of fact, I have one going up Monday. So, I will see you in the next one. Bye.